Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. This week's project, we got us this sweet snap-on body hammer. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well, let's get a good look at this thing. That's in good shape. I mean, it's rusted up, but it's not all real pitted or anything like that. There's no chips missing out of it. I didn't even realize that this was a snap-on. I just picked it up and it had the octagon shaped handle and it felt really good in my hand. So yeah, I like it. Well, let's start cleaning this thing up, shall we? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to scrape the funk and gunk off the handle, and we'll see where this project takes us. So I'm going to hit this handle with some 150, give it a little bit of sanding, just to get some more of the funk off of it. Throw some 320 on there. Alright, well, we're going to go with my homemade stain here. This is a mixture between English chestnut and red Sedona. I do want to take the head off. This is almost like a paint. This stain is so thick. I wish it would stay this color though. Alright, so after this stain sits in and dries up enough, I'm going to throw a clear coat on there just to preserve the color that's there. I really like that tone that we got going on here. So, well, there it is, guys. Snap-on hammer. I even highlighted the snap-on on there. It's all cleaned up, ready to be used. Handle feels awesome. Waxed it with some Johnson paste wax. The snap-on emblem showed back up again. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Alright guys, well, we're all done with this one. This was a quick little video, quick little project. I wanted to get this cleaned up. I'm in love with this thing. I love it. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another video. Bye.